Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Frederick County and north central Maryland, central Washington County and north central Maryland, northeastern Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 7 miles west of Boonesboro, or 7 miles southwest of Municipal Stadium, and was moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Boonesboro, Braddock Heights, Brunswick. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. A statement from the